This is the precision engine behind an iconic American product. They are a symbol of luxury and precision. But how are millions of these gilded cigarettes manufactured?
The journey begins with the core ingredient, premium, cured tobacco, stored under strict conditions.
The leaves are first threshed, mechanically separating the usable leaf from stems for a consistent blend.
Different tobacco grades are blended in precise, proprietary ratios to create the signature taste profile. The blend is conditioned for optimal moisture, then cut into the perfect, uniform shred width.
Meanwhile, the filters are formed from bundles of fine fibers, shaped into a continuous rod.
This is where the gold leaf gets its name. A band of metallic gold is printed onto the filter rod.
At the heart of production is the cigarette-making machine, a marvel of mechanical precision. A continuous paper web wraps the tobacco, forming a perfect cylinder called the rod. The filter rod is attached to the tobacco rod with tipping paper, then cut into double-length units.
A final cut separates them into the finished, individual cigarette length. For light variants, lasers perforate the filter with microscopic holes to regulate airflow.
Each cigarette is weighed and tested for firmness. Any that don't meet strict tolerances are instantly rejected.
The approved cigarettes are collected, creating a river of finished product. For protection and freshness, batches are first wrapped in a thin, metallic foil. The iconic hard pack is formed from cardboard blanks around the foil bundle. The pack then receives its final, luxurious gold leaf exterior wrap.
Mandatory tax stamps and government labeling are applied, a crucial step in regulated manufacturing.
A final layer of cellophane seals the pack, ensuring hygiene and identifying tampering.
Packs are collated into larger cartons for wholesale distribution. Robotic palletizers build stable pallets for efficient warehouse storage and shipping.
Finished goods are stored in secure, bonded warehouses under strict regulatory control.
In the advanced lab, samples undergo rigorous testing for draw resistance and smoke composition to ensure consistency.
The result of this precision engineering, a product of consistent quality, defined by its distinctive gilded detail. From blend to box, it's a symphony of high-speed automation and relentless quality checks.
It represents a highly engineered, tightly regulated facet of modern manufacturing.